You what? Right there. Oh, you shoved him out of bounds. There you go. Ooh, here we go. Come on. Get in there again. There you go. Off his left hand. I mean, normally you can turn them into a jump shoot team. They've hit everything. They just make them shoot jump shots and free throws the rest of the game. I love. See with this. There you go. He's not only underneath the ring, I mean, he's underneath the... Officially, the last 4 years, I really started to understand it. And then I just start learning as much about it as I can. I mean, we had to... There's a guy named Jim Stewart out at